Okay everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn how you can sell your Shiba Inu coin on Binance. Alright, so to do this, just log into your Binance account. After that we're gonna go up to this one, wallet. Go down to fiat and spot. Alright, so if you don't see your SHIB right here in the list, you can just go and click on search coin and just type in SHIB, like so. And now you should see your Shiba Inu coin right here. Now go to the right and we're gonna go to trade. Click on trade and now we got these different pairs that you can sell your Shiba Inu coins to. Alright, so you can choose one of these. In my case I'm gonna choose Euro. So just click on the one you want to use. I'm gonna use Euro. Alright, so right here we can see that we have SHIB/Euro. So to sell your Shiba Inu coin on Binance, we're gonna go right here to spot. So you have some options. You can choose limit. So a limit order is an order to buy or sell at a specific price or better. Limit orders are not guaranteed to execute. Alright. In this tutorial I want to sell this right away, so I'm gonna choose market. Now we can see that we have price market. So all you have to do now is just to choose how much you want to sell. You see your balance right here. So you can choose if you want to sell a specific amount. So let's say 1 million SHIB. Like so. You can also drag this if you want to sell a specific percentage of your balance. So from 1% up to 100%. Also, you can choose total. If you want to maybe get 100 euro, we can see that this one is 12% of my balance. And if you click on amount, you can also see how much SHIB this will be. Alright, so just choose how much you want to sell. And after that, you just click on this one, sell SHIB. And this will sell your SHIB right away. And in my case, I will get Euro. After that, you just go down to this one, trade history. And when this is done, you will see the transaction information right here. Okay everyone, so this is how you can sell Shiba Inu coin on Binance. Comment below if this worked out for you. Also, have an awesome day. Take care and bye.